What's up, YouTube? Alright, so my daughter's home for Memorial Day weekend, and as you all know, we love the beach. So we are heading into the beach. Alright, and we'd love to have you all come along. Alright, we're gonna hit the road. Alright guys, so we have arrived here at Seaside. Alright, it's cloudy and it's cold. It was sprinkled a little bit on the way here, so I don't think we're gonna go to the beach, but we'll see. But there's as you all know, my daughter and I love to look at the houses, so we saw a few houses we want to look at. Alright. Alright guys, so as you guys know, it's our tradition picking pancakes first before we do anything else. Alright. There's a lot of people here. Alright guys, so we got a breakfast here. Let me show you guys here. Alright. So that's mine. My traditional one. Pancake, sausage, bacon, eggs. And then my daughter's kind of changed her breakfast order. We got the wraps, but it looks pretty good. Alright, so let us finish our breakfast here, and I'm going to go out, walk around. Alright? Alright guys, so we do a little shopping here. It's getting cold outside, and my daughter didn't bring her jacket. I happened to bring mine, so especially here, let me show you guys. Alright, here's my beautiful daughter. This is what she's going to get. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, so they have a lot of sales here. We got stuff from the store before. Okay, so $24.99 or less. Alright, so this is the guys section. Okay, and of course that side is the ladies section. So yeah, we got some good deals going on. Alright, we keep shopping around a little. Okay. Where?
The toy store.
Okay. Alright guys, we're gonna keep going shopping, walk around a little bit here.
First time I need to go shopping for myself.
Go in here.
Okay, actually
No?
there's this one for
Oh, that's.
Alright, you changed your mind. You're the way right now. Oh, this store here. Okay. Alright. I'm not sure what this is. Okay. Different there. Show you guys, they have different thing here. Looks like it's a craft store. So my daughter wants to look at here. Alright. Alright guys, so we at Seaside, Oregon, and we saw this beautiful little house for sale here. You can see the sign right here. Alright, so just a couple blocks that way, you're going straight and you'll hit the ocean, promenade that you can walk. And if you walk this way, and then there's the river there. All right, so this is a little house. It's a beautiful little house. So you know, yeah, it's good to. It's a nice gate back there. So I'm not gonna get there. I'm not gonna get down there. Oh, back there. And of course, so it's going back there too. So yeah. Right. And I think it's vacant. It's a little here. It's pretty nice. It's a little place. It's got cover here as well too. Alright, so yeah, it's a little bit over 300,000. So that's pretty good, but yeah, the house been built for a long time, and the house around this area is about that, you know, about that age. All right, so we're on to the next one. All right.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise.